What's going on, guys? We are down here at the barn right now. It is Halloween. Kevin gave me the day off, and we are also currently waiting on a skid steer with a jackhammer attachment. And we're gonna start chiseling away at this old concrete. So we should be getting that wrapped up today. I'm not sure if I'll get it all cleaned up. I don't think we have a bucket coming with the skid steer, so I'll be using the tractor. And I think I'm gonna kind of shut all that stuff down there to the bottoms, and then I can eventually cover it all with some topsoil. So don't know if we'll get all cleaned up today, but it will most certainly all get broke up today. We are waiting. They should be here any minute, and then we're gonna get started. Chores are done. Skid steer's here. We are about to get to work. It's got a big old jackhammer attachment on it. Unfortunately, they don't really have any that are cabbed, but it's all right. We do have a roof over us. It's about to start raining, so we're gonna get after it. I'm gonna try to take a couple different types of footage. I got a little kit that has different things in it, so I might try to get some first person, and depending on like the rain and stuff, I might get the camera set up over here and get some whole, you know, be it where you can view the whole ordeal. But we're gonna do some time-lapse videos of it, but the main thing we're gonna do is get to work, so I'm gonna get after it. Well, this thing's making pretty good work of it. This back corner was pretty thick. It's been taking a lot to get through, but
Now that I'm starting to get to where the dirt ain't covering it and I can see the cracks that it's making, it's a lot easier. So when it's covered up like this and you can't see nothing, and it's thick, but it's doing pretty good. And the scrappers here are getting the metal, and we're about to get back to chipping. You playing in the rain?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let me see.
Well, I am not sure at what point in time I lost you guys, but my battery died on the GoPro. But we just kept right on trucking, and we just got done just a few minutes ago. Hopefully I got some good footage from in the cab. I haven't looked back at any of it yet, but this is all done. Quite the mess. And we moved what was left of the regrind pile that's been sitting here for years. And I went ahead and got rid of our concrete pad that was out here too, because I want to bring the new barn out just a little bit farther, and this concrete pad was going to be in the way for it. So just figured it was time just to get rid of the whole thing. And I also completely destroyed my whole driveway. This thing has been driving me nuts. I don't know why regrinds ever got put up here in front of the house, but it rehardened and was pretty much like asphalt, and it was higher than the garage. And up there it was like a foot off the yard, and down here it was super tall. I couldn't grade the driveway or anything at all, and my tractor would not break it loose. So while I had the jackhammer, I made quick work running through all this. But yeah, we are done for the day. The tractor should be able to clean up most of this, especially the driveway. That's what I'm gonna start with, getting all that crap out of here. But yeah, we are completely demoed and time to start cleaning. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. We got a lot of stuff coming in the future, especially when we start building the barn. So there's a lot coming, a lot to look forward to. We're really excited about it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.